In this lecture, we are going to understand short circuit causes fire. Now first we need to understand what short circuit is. A common tendency of current is to flow through a path of least resistance. Now if current in the circuit gets any short path through which it can flow and complete the circuit, it will certainly follow that path. Okay, now what is the reason that the current is getting any short path? The reason may be insulation failure or overlapping of two conductors and many other things. And here we have understood the reason of short circuit. Now the question is why it is causing the fire. If we read Joule's law of heating, it says when current passes through a conductor, then the generated heat is directly proportional with the square of the current that is passing through the conductor, the resistance of the conductor, and the time of current flow through the conductor. So what we are getting from this expression, it is resultant heat or generated heat is directly proportional with I square RT. So from this particular relation we can see that if before short circuit in a particular circuit current passing through the circuit was suppose 10 ampere, now after short circuit current increases and becomes 20 ampere. So before the short circuit the generated heat was 100 into R into T, but after short circuit the heat is 400 RT because square of this 20 is equal to 400 and square of this 10 is equal to 100. So I have put directly here and this is here. So if we take the ratio of H2 is to H1, we will get, that means your H2 is 4 times higher compared to your H1. That's why the increase of current or short circuit creates a huge amount of temperature difference in the circuit, and first this heat crosses the melting point of the insulator or letters or other equipments, then it crosses the burning point, the insulators or other. So this is the main reason why the short circuit actually causes the burning of the equipment. This is a very basic concept an engineer, specifically an electrical engineer, should know. I think the entire concept is clear to you. Thank you.